Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Hi.
I can't see myself. Why?
Hey, it's not.
Welcome to Celine Play World.
Welcome to Rayo.
Yay!
Yay.
This is Daddy and this is Celine.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Celine.
Ooh, okay, today we're gonna make a lot of colorful patties
Yeah.
with 50 colors of play-doh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make blue patties,
Yeah.
and actually Celine's gonna make me blue patties, and Celine will make herself pink patties.
Yeah.
Okay? And then maybe we'll pick a different color. Okay? Okay, you wanna start? So we're gonna open the pink ones?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. There you go. The pink patties.
Yeah, pink patties. Open it.
I'll open it for you right now. Here you go. Whoa. Okay, you can take that. I'm trying to take everything out of there. Okay. There you go. This is for the pink one. Open up another pink one. Yeah, here you go. Another pink one. And another pink one. Alright. Okay. What's your favorite color? Pink?
Pink.
Wow! For Celine?
Yeah, pink Celine.
Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start. Let's make pink buns and then we'll make the pink patties, okay?
Okay.
So let's put this one here first.
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Oh no.
Go ahead, you want to press it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, press it. Press, press, press. And more. You press more. Actually, it needs a little bit more Play-Doh. Here, let's put this one.
Whoa.
Here. Okay. Go ahead, press. Press. Ah. All right. Okay, now we have,
Patties.
yeah, pink bread. This is pink bread.
Yeah, pink bread.
All right. Okay, this one is ready.
Yeah.
Let's make more pink bread and then one pink patty, okay? Okay, let's do the patty.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready? Go ahead and press it. Press it. Press hard. Ah. Let's press hard. Press hard. Okay. There you go. Pink patty. Pink patty is ready. Okay, now Celine has her pink patty ready. So we're gonna have the bread, the patty, tomato,
No.
and more bread. Wow, so delicious and yummy! Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, now we have this one ready. Let's make a blue one, okay?
Okay.
Daddy's gonna make a blue one, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make a blue one. Leave this here so we can put more colors, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here's the pink patty. Okay?
Pink patty.
Yeah, now we're gonna do a blue patty. Blue is my favorite color.
Yeah.
Daddy's favorite color.
Yeah. That's your favorite.
Yeah, he's just messing everything up.
This one like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
Wait.
What are you making?
I make bread.
You making the patty?
Yeah.
Okay.
Patty.
Squeeze it good. Okay, good. Now press.
Okay.
Press hard. Press hard, watch out. Press. Alright. Alright.
Let me. One time.
Yeah, now you need to do the bread.
The bread.
Exactly. The patty is ready. The blue patty is ready.
Okay. Bread.
Press hard. Okay. more bread. Can you make more bread?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me mushroom and hot dog.
We'll make hot dog right now. Let's do the bread.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do more bread.
Yeah, do more bread.
Yeah. There you go. See? Blue hot dog.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's make blue lettuce. Okay. Alright, let's make blue lettuce. Press, press, press. Go ahead, press. Now peel it out. Yeah, I'll help you. Let me help you, sir. Okay. Wow! Perfect. Let me peel it off for you. And then you put the blue patty together, okay? Alright, go ahead, put it together. Bread. Yeah, put the bread first, and then the patty. And then another piece of bread. Let's do it like this. Bread, patty, lettuce, hot dog, and bread. Oh, it's not working like this. Let's keep it like this, okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, yummy.
Wait, what was it?
Yeah, so this one is for Celine,
Yeah.
like this. And blue.
Yeah.
And this one's for Daddy. Okay?
Okay.
What color you want to make right now?
Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Alright, let's make a green one.
Yeah,
Okay, there you go.
yeah.
Make a green one.
Yeah, it's honey.
And then
Taste honey.
we could make maybe a yellow one. You want to make a yellow one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a green one.
Okay, make green one.
Yeah.
La la. Big time.
You like the pink color?
Yeah.
And then maybe maybe we could do one that has different colors, a lot of colors.
And Celine.
Okay, go ahead. You could start. Do the bread.
Okay.
Okay?
And patty. Never patty.
Celine is a great barbecue chef.
Yeah, I want to go. But when patty.
Yellow.
Yeah, let me yellow.
Here you go. You wanna do yellow bread?
Yeah,
Alright, let's do yellow bread. Press, press, hard, 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 hard. Perfect. Let me see it. Oh, perfect. There you go. Yeah. I'm gonna give you another one so you can do the same, okay?
Okay.
There you go.
La la
So the
la.
yellow one. There you go. Can you make me another yellow bread? We'll make a hot dog after we do the bread and the patty, okay? So make me more bread, please.
Let's have a salad.
Hmm?
Oh wow.
Let me see. Whoa, perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Now,
Now we have to do the patty. We have two bread. We just need patty, okay?
okay.
Let me see. Here, I'll do it for you.
I want to be right.
Kind of sticky. Hard to get. And they're very hard to get out.
Sticky. Get out.
All right. So let's do patty. We need patty.
Okay. Patty?
Patty, yes, please.
Oh, wow.
Press hard. Ooh, perfect. Thank you, Celine.
Welcome.
Okay, and we're gonna do yellow. You wanna do yellow hot dog?
Yeah!
Yay!
Yay!
Let's do yellow hot dog. All right. You do the yellow hot dog, okay?
Okay. Alright.
Woo. You need a little bit more, okay? Here, let's do it again. All right, 1, 2, 3. Press. Very hard.
Alright.
Yay!
Yay! Look at that.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, I like it. It's so nice.
And with
Okay.
white!
Whoa!
I want to turn white.
White. Okay, let's do this one first, okay?
Okay.
Let's do this one here.
Okay.
Okay?
It's this thing.
So we do bread,
Yeah.
patty,
Yeah.
bread.
Yeah.
Ooh, so yummy.
Yeah.
And
Oh.
okay.
I want to make white.
Yeah.
There. With you.
Show me the colors, Celine.
There. Right here.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. Show me the colors first.
I want white.
Show me the green color. Which one is the green color? Green.
Pink.
Okay, pink. What else?
Yellow.
Uh-huh.
And pink.
Uh-huh. What other two colors we have?
Yellow. It's yellow. And yellow. And pink.
Uh-huh.
Yellow, pink. And blue, pink.
This is blue also. Blue and what color is this one here?
Yellow, pink, yellow.
Okay, show me the colors one more time.
Yellow.
Mm-hmm.
It's yellow.
Mm-hmm.
Pink. Pink.
Mm-hmm.
And blue.
Uh-huh. And what else?
Green. It's green.
Green. Yay! Look how many colors we have here. It's so nice.
I want. Oh no, careful. Wait, I want white.
White?
White.
Okay, we'll do white in a little bit, okay?
Oh no, that's me.
Can you sell me the blue patty? Because I want to eat it. I'm so hungry.
Okay.
Can you do that? How much is it?
$5.
$5? It's so expensive. Okay, let's do it again. You ready to show me the colors?
Yeah.
Okay, what colors do we have?
Blue.
Blue.
Bingo.
Yeah, so nice. Blue patty
Yeah.
and a blue
Yeah.
hot dog.
And
Can you give me the pink one?
yeah.
Pink one. Ooh, pink hot dog
Hot dog.
and pink patty. Wow, so yummy. Okay, let's do the yellow one. Let's do the yellow one.
Yeah, that one.
Yellow patties.
Yeah, that one.
Wow, so nice. So nice and yummy. Okay, what about the green one?
White.
No, show me the green one. Put the green one next to the other colors. The green one.
Oh no.
You're not gonna put it here?
Yeah.
Put the green one here. Or you're gonna make one patty with different colors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it together. Look at all these colors. So nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, so we're gonna do yellow bread,
Yeah.
pink patty,
Yeah. No.
blue lettuce.
No.
No? What are you gonna do?
Two.
Okay, so you just put it together and eat it later?
Yeah.
Okay.